So the main riff has these 4 positions. It goes back to G minor. So we start, we start on G minor and we go back to G minor. And that's why I love G minor, because it's such a powerful chord. So we have our G minor, and the second picture has C minor, where you're just barring the bottom 3 strings and putting your thumb behind it to make a clamp, all right? And that's our C minor. Now to get to D7, you're just moving down the neck 1 fret, but this time covering all the strings and adding your second finger to the 3rd fret of the A string, and then G minor. Now, we did this little picking move before, all right? And it sounds really cool if you go. So you pick the first one, pick the second one, pick the third one, and then strum the last one. So it goes A, E, C, 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 strum. All right, so that's the pretty fun little riff that starts off the song. Now, what's interesting and fun about this is all you have to do is strum each chord in rhythm, all right, in order to play this little run. So we have G minor 7, G minor plus 7, then G minor 7, then G minor 6, which looks just like F, except it's both fingers are down 1 string. Then we have F and we have D7. So I'm just going to play through what this sounds like. I was 5 and he was 6. Notice I just took my 3rd finger and moved it up to the 2nd fret. Now I'm going to take off that 2nd finger and I'm going to bar the first 2 strings with my 1st finger. We rode on horses, and now I just take off the bar and put my 1st finger by itself on the bottom A string, 1st fret. Made of sticks. So again, I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks. Now a nice comfortable F. He wore black and I wore white. D7. We would always win the fight, and you can always exchange it with an easy G7, D7. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me. Let's try the riff. Then we have next verse. Seasons came and changed the time. When I grew up, I called him mine. He would always laugh and say, remember when we used to play? Bang, bang, I shot you down. Bang, bang, you hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, I used to shoot you down. Now the next part, we have a little bit of a bridge. Music played and people sang. Just for me the church bells rang. Now you have E flat, which has a picture of it right there. And you have 3rd and 4th fingers on the C and E strings on the 3rd fret, and your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and D7. Now what's cool is you can even slide this. Back to G7. Now he's gone, I don't know why. Until this day, sometimes I cry. He didn't even say goodbye. He didn't take the time to lie. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down. So that's the original version by Nancy Sinatra. But if we were to do this live, I would probably want to give it a little more zip, all right? So what I'm going to do is play it again, but when we get to the end of this first verse, and we get to the end of this second verse, and we get to the end of the bridge, we're going to play G minor here, starting with a down, 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 up, down, up. Now he's gone, I don't know why. So we'll try playing her through one more time so you can get more practice with those chords. And then at the end, we'll strum it out, all right? So watch the little red circles so you'll know where to move those fingers, all right? So here comes the intro riff. 1, 2, ready, go. Switch. Switch. G minor, 2, 3, 4. I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks. He wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down. And here we go. Seasons came and changed the time. When I grew up and I called him mine, he would always laugh and say, remember when we used to play? Bang, bang, I shot you down. Bang, bang, you hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, I used to shoot you down. Music played and people sang, just for me the church bells rang. Now we're gonna zip it up. 1, 2, ready, go. Now he's gone and I don't know why. Until this day sometimes I cry. He didn't even say goodbye. He didn't take the time to die. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down. So I hope you had a good time tonight. I sure did. And hope to see you again at a future session, either live or perhaps online. And don't forget Halifax City Ukulele. And make sure you keep in touch on the Facebook page. Beautiful work, everyone. And there's a lot to absorb, I know, but remember, try to just absorb the backbone parts of each song that I showed you and work through each of those chord changes, and